Welcome to the course Learn R Programming from Scratch. This is Sunil, your instructor for this course. So let me first introduce myself. I have around 6 years of professional experience working for different clients and working for different IT companies. And I have worked around most of the programming languages including Java, Scala, PHP, Python, R programming, C, C++, C Sharp, and I have also worked on the JavaScript, AngularJS, React.js, HTML, CSS, and I have also experience on the front end development framework like Bootstrap and content management systems such as WordPress and Joomla. I have also worked on the database side, including RDBMS and NoSQL both. I have experience on MySQL, Oracle, and NoSQL database MongoDB. I have also worked on the statistical computing using R programming and RStudio, and that's why I'm going to take this course. I have also having experience on big data analytics using Hadoop and MapReduce framework. So this is all about myself, and what we are going to learn in this course is R programming. So what is R? R is a programming language and a software environment. So R is not just a programming language, it's a software environment for statistical computing and graphical interpretation of data. So we use R to analyze the data, to do the scientific research on the data. So R is a programming language as well as a software environment. So when you download and install R, you will be having a R as a programming language and as a environment to execute R programs. And R is widely used among statisticians and data miners for developing statistical software and data analysis. So little history of R. R is a GNU project created by Ross and Robert Gentleman at University of Auckland, New Zealand. So it's an open source project, so anyone can use it. It's a free of cost. And the source code of R software environment is written primarily in C, Fortran, and R. And R is an implementation of S programming language. So S programming language was used to analyze the data for graphical representation of data for all the statics works. But why R has been invented? Because yes, programming was not an open source, it was a paid license software. So that's why R has been invented, because R is free and open source. So what we are going to cover in this course, we are going to start from very basic. We are going to install R and RStudio, and then we start looking at the basics of R programming. Then we work with the data in R, and then we see working with R packages. Then we look at the R objects and how we can work with the interfaces, and then we will be seeing how we can work with the date and times in R programming. Then we see control structures in R. Then we'll see functions in R, how we can use the functions in R programming. Then we see looping concept in R, and much more. So why I'm saying much more? Because this course will be updated very frequently, almost every month, till we are satisfied with all the lectures or all the concepts are covered. So this course will be updated frequently to add more lectures and to make this course more valuable and comprehensive course on R programming. So enroll now and start learning R programming. See you in the course. Thank you.